Hello everyone, I'm TechnoSaur and in this video we are going to unbox the Mi Notebook Air. So without wasting further time, let's just get started. So this is how the box pack looks like from every angle, and onto the back side we have some specs mentioned. Opening up the box pack, we got the notebook sitting onto the top, and then we got some documentation, and it is all in Chinese. If you want to read it, you can pause anytime to read it. Yeah. As I said, it's all in Chinese as it's an imported product. Then we got a USB Type-C charger to power up the notebook. Peeling off the plastic, we got dual AKG speakers, downwards firing, and rubber padding. Yeah. Then onto the left we got HDMI port and 3.5mm audio jack. Nothing onto the top, no branding, nothing. And onto the right we got a USB 3.0 port, USB Type-C port, and a notification LED. We got Intel branding on the base, then trackpad, keypad, followed by a Mi logo and a display. We got a VGA camera too, and this is the booting time. How much time does it take to boot up? So quite fast, instant actually. The trackpad is kind of snappy, pretty cool, and the keyboard is nice as well. Talking about the specifications, it got Intel Core M3 CPU coupled with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of SSD storage. It has full metal body and it's only 12.9mm thick. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please hit that like button if you like it, and please subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.